Ready to create your first council-ready drawing? Let's get your SolidDrafter account set up in under a minute. Hi, Matt here from SolidDrafter, and today I'm going to show you how to get started with our platform, from your very first login to creating professional drawings. I'm going to walk you through the exact account creation process. It takes less time than making a coffee. This is the same platform that SolidCore Engineering uses for all our professional development applications. First, navigate to soliddrafter.com.au in your browser. You'll see two options on the homepage. You can either click Sign In if you already have an account, or click the big blue button that says Start Drafting. Since this is your first time, we'll click Start Drafting. First, the privacy policy section pops up. This is part of our commitment to transparency and protecting your information. You'll see this privacy notice that explains how we handle your data in accordance with Australian privacy laws. You have two options here. You can click Show Summary to see a brief overview, or if you want to read the full policy, you can scroll through it. For now, I'll click Accept and Continue to proceed, but I encourage you to review our privacy policy when you have time. This takes you to the login page. Click on Sign Up button to create a new account. First, enter your full name. Next, enter your email address. Make sure this is an email you check regularly, as we'll send you email verification. Make sure you check your spams as well, as it may end up there. Add your phone number. For the address field, enter your primary address. Now, select your state from the drop-down. I'm located in Adelaide, so I'll select South Australia. Next, enter your postcode. Create a secure password, minimum 6 characters. Confirm your password by typing it again. This prevents any login issues later. You'll notice the professional disclaimer here that says SolidDrafter is a drafting tool only. If you need engineering design for your development application, please contact our SolidCore Engineering team at admin@solidcoreeng.com. Here you can also access our terms of service and privacy policy. After you read through, check the box. Finally, click Create Account to complete your registration. Congratulations, you're now officially a SolidDrafter member and can access the platform. Now let me give you a quick preview of what you've just unlocked. This is your SolidDrafter dashboard, your command center for creating professional drawings. You're now ready to start creating your first drawing. In our next tutorial, I'll walk you through every tool, show you the grid system, and teach you how to create new shapes and objects. But for now, take a moment to explore your new dashboard. Click around, get familiar with the layout, and when you're ready to start drawing, I'll see you in the next video. With SolidDrafter, you are always drafting with confidence. Thanks for watching, and welcome to the SolidDrafter community.